Road fatalities are a significant source of global mortality, causing 1.35 million deaths and over 50 million injuries in 2018. With 26% of these fatalities being cyclists and pedestrians, the disproportionately dangerous nature of being a vulnerable road user is undeniable. Discussions on road safety often overlook cars as the universal source of danger in these contexts. This video showcases existing protective infrastructure and ways we can create safer active transportation environments, particularly in Montreal's Plateau Montréal. Studies show that 21% of pedestrian fatalities occur at intersections and traffic circles. To stay safe, we as pedestrians rely on painted crosswalks, stoplights with pedestrian countdowns, good visibility for cars and pedestrians, clear signage at intersections, and designated turning signals for cars. One dangerous intersection on our walk home is Pinson Park, where high traffic volume creates confusion and risk for pedestrians. We'd improve this intersection by adding more protective pedestrian refuge islands, speed calming measures like road diets, bump outs, and speed feedback signs, and leading pedestrian intervals, giving pedestrians a head start into the intersection. To improve sidewalk safety, we recommend routine maintenance, especially in snowy conditions, and raised sidewalks, physically separated from cars by bike lanes, trees, and other buffers. We would give this intersection on Pins and Clark a bad user rating for its lack of painted crosswalks and stoplight, encouraging pedestrians to jaywalk. In place of these narrow sidewalks, we propose wider sidewalks that are well maintained and large enough to support high pedestrian traffic throughout the day. A stop sign at this intersection would encourage aggressive drivers to reduce traffic speeds and yield for pedestrians. With these ideas in mind, how can we make Montreal's walking environment safer and more enjoyable? At intersections and crossings, we propose raised crosswalks, longer pedestrian countdowns, pedestrian islands at two-lane crossings, stop signs at every intersection, and leading pedestrian intervals. On sidewalks and roads more generally, we propose wider sidewalks, bike lanes between pedestrians and cars, and road diets to reduce space for motor vehicles. Overall, we felt safe walking home due to infrastructure that protected us from cars. However, we felt less safe at intersections like Clark and Pins and Park, where cars had more freedom and presence. Our takeaways? Cars pose the largest threat to pedestrian safety. The key to road safety is decentralizing cars as the primary road users.